Hey guys, how's it going? Happy Tuesday. So things have been pretty crazy over here. My husband's pretty much been traveling non-stop for work. He's been stuck in the Carolinas, which leaves me on solo parent duty. The kids still haven't started school yet, so it's been nuts. They start school not next week, but the following week. Hallelujah. And then hopefully I will have more time and be less stressed. You know, trying to manage a household by yourself. Not saying that I don't have my husband's support, because I 100% do. But when he's not here, like presently here, it's hard to try to upkeep everything with no help with the kids, completely on my own. You know, I'm very grateful I'm able to stay home with my kids, but man, it's tough. They've been out of school since March. So yeah, that's that. That's the life update. Other than that, I am going to both CVS and Walgreens today, like I do pretty much every week. There's always great deals. The digital coupons are really good. You know, I hate to say it, but there's rumors as well saying that possibly by the end of next year, paper coupons might be a thing of the past. And it's really sad. Like, I don't like that, but everything's going digital these days, not to mention, you know, coupon misuse with paper coupons. I'm not surprised. That's all I can say about that. I am going to head to Walgreens first and then hop over to CVS. So if you are interested to see what I can find at both of those stores, then please keep watching. Alright, so the first deal is an easy one, and that is on the Crest toothpaste. It is on sale for $3 this week, and if you buy two, you'll receive a $3 register reward. If you go on your Walgreens account, you should find a digital coupon for $3 off of two. So you pay $3, get $3 in a reward back, making the toothpaste completely free. So the next deal is Rimmel Cosmetics. They are on sale for 40% off, and also if you go on your Walgreens account, you should find a 4 off 2 coupon. Now that's not a manufacturer coupon, that is a Walgreens savings coupon, so it will apply multiple times. It will take $4 off for every 2 that you purchase, and you can stack it with a manufacturer coupon. There are $1 coupons from the newspaper. Now you can purchase any items that you would like, but I'm going to buy stuff that I'm actually going to use. I'm going to grab these eyeliners right here. So you could get stuff that's even cheaper to make your out-of-pocket cost cheaper, but again, I want something I'm actually going to use. So for me, with those eyeliners, it will make each one only 77 cents. Alright guys, back to school is coming up real soon. It's any day now for a lot of people. Check out the school supplies. I'm seeing glue sticks for 49 cents, scissors 99 cents, Crayola brand crayons 49 cents, all kinds of really cheap last minute school supplies. Check out those lists. Even if you are not returning to traditional school, this is still great for homeschooling, for virtual school, even if your kids are not even school aged. They're great for having around the home for arts and crafts. That's what I've done for my kids before they were school aged. Again, just go ahead, check it out. Notebooks, folders, pretty much all kinds of school supplies. So the next deal is an awesome one, and that is on Tide products. They are $4.99, and if you buy 2, you'll receive a $3 register reward. If you go on your digital account, you should find $2 off coupons, 1 for the pods and 1 for the liquids. You're going to want to go ahead and grab both. So after those coupons, you're going to pay $5.98, but you're going to get back that $3 register reward, making them only $1.49 each. Alright, so the classic deal at Walgreens, one of everybody's favorites, and that is on the food storage bags. Buy 1, get 2 free. Yes, buy 1, get 2 free, which will make each box of food storage bags only 93 cents. Next up, Renewza air fresheners on sale for 89 cents this week. If you go on your Walgreens account, you should find a digital coupon for buy 4, get 2 free. So you're going to want to go ahead and grab 6. Also on Ibotta, there is an offer for if you buy 5, you'll get a $2 rebate. So after that coupon, you're going to pay $3.56, but remember you're getting that $2 back, making each air freshener only 26 cents each. So here is my Walgreens receipt, nothing crazy. I just got 2 of the Crest toothpaste, 2 Rimmel eyeliners, I think a Tide Pods, Tide Liquid, and then I got 5 of the Renewzits. Here are all of my coupons that applied. My subtotal was $14.97, but with that, I got back 5,000 points, and then I also got 2 register rewards. One was for the toothpaste, and then the other one was for the Tide products. I want to add that 5,000 bonus points. That is from hitting the beauty club. I'm a beauty club member at Walgreens, so that's what that additional $5 comes from. That is not tied in to this personal transaction, but I am going to include that and subtract it from my subtotal, since that's not money that was previously spent. That is a reward that was earned. So that is $11 total in rewards that I'm going to subtract from my subtotal, making my grand total for everything $3.97. But I also have $2 that I am redeeming for the Renewsits on Ibotta, which makes it $1.97. $1.97 for everything. So yeah, Walgreens went really good. $1.97 for all that stuff. Really awesome. So I'm going to quick head over to CVS. So keep on watching. First up is CoverGirl Cosmetics. If you buy 2 products, you will receive a $7 extra care buck. You can grab whatever you'd like, but I want something for free, so I'm going to go ahead and grab 2 of these eyebrow pencils. They are $5.99 each. I also have $3 off coupons from the newspaper that I will be using. So after those coupons, I'm going to pay $5.98 but get back that $7 extra care buck, making them not only free but a $1.02 moneymaker. Next up is Paparazzi nail polish. They are on sale 2 for $5, and if you buy 2, you'll receive a $4 extra care buck. No coupons needed. After that extra care buck, it will make each bottle of nail polish only 50 cents. Gillette and Venus razors have a promotion that if you buy 2, you'll receive a $10 extra care buck. I'm going to go ahead and buy 2 Venus razors, and I'm going to try and get it to $25 because I have 2 digital coupons. I have a 5 off 25 shave and a 5 off 25 Venus. I also have $2 off coupons from the newspaper, which I will be using. So after coupons, it's going to be $10.98, but I'm getting back that $10 extra care buck, making each razor only 49 cents. Not on my list, I just stumbled across it in the store, and that was these clearance band-aids for $1.04. I also looked on the CVS app and I found a digital coupon for 2 off of 5, so I'm going to make sure to grab 5 boxes to make that digital coupon work. And which after that coupon is applied, it'll make each package of band-aids only 64 cents. Alright, some more Crest toothpaste. It is on sale for $3.99 this week, and if you buy 3, you'll receive a $5 extra care buck. If you go on your CVS digital account, you should find a 3 off 2 coupon and a 2 off of 2 coupon. You might also be lucky and have a $3 whitening coupon as well, which after all those coupons are applied, you pay $3.97 but get $5 back in extra care bucks, making them not only free but a $1.03 moneymaker. The next deal is for both Garnier Fructis and the Garnier Whole Blends. You have to pick one or the other, you can't pick both, and that's because they fall under the same promotion. They are on sale 2 for $7, and if you buy 2, you'll receive a $2 extra care buck. Now there are $4 off 2 coupons from the newspaper for both the regular Garnier Fructis and the Garnier Whole Blends. So after coupons, you're going to pay $3 but get that $2 extra care buck back, making them only 50 cents each. Next up is Tresemme shampoo and conditioner on sale 2 for $9. I'm going to buy 4 because I have a 4 off 18 hair care digital coupon, and I also have $5 off 2 coupons from the newspaper. I lastly have a $2.50 off of 8 Tresemme coupon as well, which, when after all of those coupons are applied, it'll make each bottle of the shampoo and conditioner only 37 cents. Alright, so pretty much the exact same deal on those Renewsit air fresheners that were at Walgreens. The only difference is there is no digital coupon. You will have to use the paper version from the newspaper. Also, you cannot get them at both CVS and Walgreens because the Ibotta offer is only good for one store. You can't use it at both, but whichever store you choose, they will still be 26 cents. All right, and then this last deal, I have a major sweet tooth, so I have to get in on this candy promotion. The Hershey brand mini candy bites are on sale 2 for $6, and if you buy 2, you'll receive a $1 extra care buck. I also have a digital coupon for $1 off of 6. So I'm gonna end up paying $5, but getting back that $1 extra care buck, making them only $2 a bag. These will not last long in my house. All right, so here is my CVS receipt. I did get more stuff than I did at Walgreens. Whole bunch of coupons that applied, a whole bunch of digitals. My subtotal for everything was only 14 cents. 14 cents for everything, but that's not quite it. I did use a couple CVS extra care bucks to pay. I used two $10. That third $10 is actually a $5 because I'm part of the Care Pass Club. So I pay $5 a month, but I get a $10 reward, which means half of that is a reward. So I am going to subtract only 5. And then I also had a 5 and a 4 and then 2 3s. And just like that, I was explaining earlier, that beauty club, I'm not going to count that because that is a reward. So all together, I used $37 in extra care bucks to pay, which I have explained many times. That is money I view as previously spent. So I'm going to tack that onto my subtotal, making my subtotal $37.14, but I did get back a whole bunch of extra care bucks. So my grand total for everything comes out to $14.14, but I do realize that I have 2 digital coupons that did not apply, a 5 off 25 for the Venus, as well as a $2.25 for the Tresemme. Those did not come off, so I will need to contact CVS customer service. Not a huge deal. What they do is they just refund you in the form of extra care bucks, and they apply them digitally to your account. So I am going to subtract that from that $14.14. Making my grand total for everything only $6.64. Another awesome transaction. All right, guys, so everything went really good. It was a little bit over $8 for both stores. Got quite a bit of stuff. I'm gonna show you right here once I get all set up in my stockpile room. Ready, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Stockpile footage. Boom. Isn't it so pretty? So yeah, a little bit over $8 for both. I promise, I pinky promise, I'm going to try to make it to Publix this week as well as Target. Remember, I'm a one-woman circus over here. I'm trying to get to things as best as I can. You know, in less than 2 weeks, once they're back in school, my schedule, I am so much more flexible. I don't have to be so stressed and trying to get things done on time. I try to get you these deals in the beginning of the week, you guys, because the sales do run until Saturday. So I don't want to push these deals out to you, you know, on a Thursday or Friday night, giving you only 1 to 2 days to shop and get in on these. I try to always push them out on Mondays and Tuesdays, sometimes Wednesdays, but I try to get it out to you as quick as I can. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and like always, if you guys have any questions, please leave them in the comments, and until next time, guys, bye.